હેલો ટ્રેનિસ, ડ્રાફ્ટ એન્ડ મિકેનિકલ અને અધર મિકેનિકલ ગ્રુપ માટે જે વર્કશોપ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન અને સાયન્સના એમસીક્યુ આવે છે સીબીટી એક્ઝામમાં એ જોઈશું આપણે ઇન ઇંગ્લિશ. ફર્સ્ટ, વોટ આર ધ ટુ ક્લાસિફિકેશન ઓફ સિસ્ટમ ઓફ યુનિટ્સ? આન્સર ઇઝ સી, ફંડામેન્ટલ એન્ડ derived. Next question, what are fundamental units? Its answer is option B, length and mass and time. Next, what denotes letter M in MKS system? It's called meter. Next question, how many millimeters are there in inch? Its answer is 25.4 mm. Next, what is the LCM of 12, 18, 6, 36? Its answer is 36, option C. Next, what is the SCF of 18, 42, 28, 24? Its answer is 6. Next, what is the improper fraction for the given mixed fraction 7, 3 by 7 is equal to, answer is option A, 52 by 7. Next, convert decimal 0.000659 to fraction. Its answer is option D, 659 divided by 1000000. Okay. Next question 9. Simplify 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 minus 5 by 20 is equal to, answer is option B, 9 divided by 10. Next, divide 20 upon 31 divided by 15 upon 62. Its answer is 2 into 2 by 3. Next, what is the product of 0.003 into 0.5? Its answer is 0.0015, option B. Next, simplify 17.49 into 5.2 upon 6.5. Its answer is 13.99. Next, what is the length of each part is a copper wire of 2 to 5 meter long is cut into 900 equal parts. Its answer is 0.25 meter. Next one is, what is the square root of 529? Its answer is option B, 23. Next, what is the square root of 0.017? Its answer is 0.001, option B. Next, what is the definition of ratio? Its answer is option A. Sorry, is not mentioned that. Its answer is option A, relation of two quantities of the same kind. Answer option A. Next, what is the ratio of 4 kg to 800 grams? 8 5 them 1, option A. Next, what percentage of 80 is 20? It's 25%. Next, how much is 8% of 40 kg? It's 3.2 kg. Next question, convert 52% into fraction. Its answer is 13 upon 25, option C. Next, convert 0.456 decimal fraction ratio percentage. It's 45.6%. Next, what is the x value for x square plus 6 square is equal to 10 square? Its answer is 8, option 8. Next, what is the square root of decimal number 550.37? Its answer is 23.46D. What is the value of under root 8 plus under root 18 minus 2 under root of 2? 4.24, answer C. Next, what is the side AB if AC is equal to 10 cm and BC is equal to 6 cm? Its answer is 8 centimeter, A. Next questions, what is the side of BC if AC is equal to 15 cm, AB is equal to 9 cm? Its answer is 12 cm, option D. It's a rule of Pythagoras system, tennis. Next question, what is the value of side AC if AB is equal to 7, BC is equal to 5? Its answer is 8.6 cm, option B. Next, So in figure, what is the length L2 if total length L is 2.75 meter? L1 gem L2 is equal to 2 gem 3. Its answer is 1.65 meter. Next, how many days a mechanic takes to assemble 64 machine if assemble 8 machine in 3 days? Its answer is 24 days. Option C. Next, what will be the RPM of smaller gear if a 180 mm dia meshes with 60 mm dia gear and the bigger gear makes to 60 RPM? Its answer is 180 RPM. Next question, what is the percentage of copper if the casting weight of copper 42.3 kg and tin weight 2.7 kg? Its answer is copper 94%. Next, a motorcycle tire is sold for 300. What is the purchase price if 25% profit is added to it? Its answer is 240. Option C. Next, what is the decimal fraction of conversion of 18.5%? It's 0.185. Next, which one is non-metal? Its answer is B, graphite. Next, which metal contains iron as a major content? Its answer is C, D, ferrous metal. Next, what is the name of metal which do not contain iron? Its answer is non-ferrous metals. Next, which one of the following property is the mechanical property of metal? Its answer is ductility. Its answer B. Next, what is the brittle metal? It's cast iron. Option A. Next, which mechanical property of the metal offers resistance to elastic deformation in a cutting tool? Its answer is C, hardness. Next, which property of material enable to formation of permanent deformation without friction? Its answer is plasticity. Option B. Another question is, which property of metal has its power of returning to its original shape after the applied force is released? Its answer C, elasticity. Next, which property of a metal possesses by its melts when heat is applied? Its answer is visibility, C. Next, which alloy used to electric lamps as filament? Answer is tungsten. Next, what metals contains in brass alloys? Answer is copper and zinc. Option C. Next, which cast iron cannot be welded? Its answer is white cast iron. Another question, which metal cannot be forged? Its answer is D, cast iron. Which metal is widely used for making casting of machinery parts? Its answer is A, grey cast iron. Option A. Another, which furnace is used to get pig iron from iron ore? Its answer is blast furnace. Option C. Next, what is the name of furnace to obtain cast iron? Its answer is A, cupola. What is the other name of low carbon steel? Its answer is D, mild steel. Next, what is the carbon percentage in medium carbon steel? Its answer is 0.25 to 0.9%. Now see the in the question, answer is 0.25 to 0.5. Its answer is 0.25 to 0.5%. Next, what is the carbon percentage in low carbon steel? Its answer is 0.15 to 0.25. Next, what is the carbon percentage in high carbon steel? It's 0.5 to percentage to 1.5%. Next, what is the ore of aluminum? It's bauxite. Answer C. Which property of a metal enable if it by which it can be drawn out into wires under tension without rupture? Its answer is ductility. Next, which among the following is an insulator? It's mica, option D. Next, which rubber is used as insulator for power cables and control wires? It's silicone. Next, which alloy steel is used to make permanent magnets? It's cobalt steel, option D. Which insulator is used to overhead lines? Porcelain, answer D. Next, which insulating material is used for making switches? Its answer is bakelite, C. What is the name of the property of a insulator? The should break down or puncture a application of high voltage. Its dielectric strength, option A is correct answer. Next, which alloy steel is used for make precious instrument? Its answer is Invar steel. Okay. Next, which steel is used for making files and cold chisel? It's called high carbon steel. Next question, what is termed as the quantity of matter contained in a body? Answer C, mass. What is the force with which a body is accurately by the earth towards its center? The answer is weight, option B. What is called mass per unit volume of a substance? Option C, density. What is called the ratio between the density of a substance and density of water at 4 ohms centigrade? Answer is specific gravity. Next question, what is the density of aluminum? 2.7 gram per cm cube. Answer is A. What is the mass if the density of a body is 7.6 gram per cm cube and its volume is 25 cm cube? It's 190 grams. Option A. What is the specific gravity of the solid if density of the solid is 19.5 gram per cm cube? Its answer is 19.5. Next, what is the density in gram per cm cube of an iron cube if its weight is 4.8 kg and volume 640 cm cube? Its answer is 7.5 gram per cm cube. What is the volume of mercury in cm cube if mass m of mercury is 1 kg and density 13.6 gram per cm cube? Answer is 73.53 cm cube. Next, what is the mass in gram if a force of 15 N is acting on a mass m producing an acceleration of 2.5 centimeter per second square? Answer is 6 grams. D. What is the specific gravity of the metal if the piece of metal weight 150 grams in air and 125 grams in water? Its answer is 6, option A. What is the volume of mercury in cm cube if the mass of mercury is 136 gram and density of mercury is 13.6 gram per cm cube? Answer is 10 cm cube. What is the block weight in kg if volume is 320 cm cube and density 8.9 gram per cm cube? Its answer is 2.848 kg. Next, what is the specific gravity of the metal if the weight 6.5 kg in the air and 3.5 kgf in the water? 2.166. It's option C. What is the weight of force of car has a mass of 800 kg? Take G 9.81 per second. Its answer is 7848 Newton. What is the formula of speed? It's a change in velocity per time. Option B. What is the unit of speed? It's meter per second. What is the formula of velocity? For velocity, distance is definite direction upon time. What is the unit of velocity? It's meter per second. What is the call if body possessed by only magnitude or size alone? It's scalar quantity. Next, what is called if a body possessed with both magnitude and direction of velocity? It's vector quantity. Next, what is the rate of change of displacement of a body? It's called velocity. Another question. What is called if a body does not change its position with respect to its surroundings? Its answer is body at rest. Next question. What is called if a body changes its position with respect to its surrounding? It's called body at motion. What is velocity of a body travels a distance 168 meter in a line in 21 seconds? Its answer is 8 meter per second. What is the speed of a train of 80 meter long? Train passes a railway station platform of 120 meters length in 20 seconds? Its answer is 36 km per hour. What is the formula of acceleration? For acceleration, A is equal to V minus U upon small t. What is the unit of acceleration of an object? It's meter per second square. Next, what is the acceleration of a car if the speed of car increase from 25 to 40 km per hour in 1 minute? It's 0.069 meter per second square. It's acceleration. What is the retardation of a car moving with a velocity of 50 kg per hour? 50 km per hour is brought to rest in 45 seconds. Answer is 0.30 meter per second square. What is the acceleration of aeroplane taking off from landing field has to run 700 meters if it is leaves the ground in the 10 seconds from the start? Its answer is D, 14 meter per second square. What is maximum height a stone will reach if it is thrown upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second? Answer is 20 meter. B. What is the work done in unit time? Is equal to unit is definition is power. Option B. What is the capacity of a body to work is called? It's energy. What is the ratio of power output to power input? It's called efficiency. C. What is called if the force of 1 Newton acts on a body move it to a distance of 1 meter? It's called 1 joule. Option A. How many eggs of joules? 10 ergs. 10 raised to 7 ergs. How many newtons for 1 kilogram? It's 9.1881 newtons. How many watts for 1 horsepower in metric system? It's 735.5 watts. How many watts in 1 hour in British system? 746 meters. Next, what is the equivalent unit of 1 hour power in metric system? It's 75 kg meter per second. It's next. What is the formula for potential energy? It's mgh joule. Next, what is the formula for kinetic energy? 1 by 2 mv square into joule. How much work done in 1 hour if pump can raise 100 liters of pump through a height 200 meters in 1 minute. It's 12 into 10 raised to 5 kg per meter. Next, what is the work done if force of 250 newtons acts upon the body and the body has been moved through the distance of 15 meters? Its answer is D, 3750 joules. What is the potential energy if a body of mass 250 kg is height of 30 meters? Answer is 73.57 kilojoule. What is the potential energy if a body of mass 10 kg kept on the top of the raised pole 20 meters height? It's 1962 joules. Next, what is the work done in joules if the load of 15.5 kg lifted through a height of 4.4 meters? Answer is D, 699 joules. What is the kinetic energy if a bullet of mass 5 grams travels with a speed of 500 meters per second? Its answer is 625 joules. Thank you, tennis.